Good for two para kay number 9.
Boss, time out kami. Ayun na!
Acknowledge timeout para sa Team Chera. 14 to shoot. Timeout Chera. That's the number 1. Ayan, ibigay mo na para kay number 3. That's the number 9. Good for two para kay number 1. That's the number 11. Good for two. Number 3, 14 to shoot. And now only 26 to number 1, 10-second shot clock. That may foul who's foul up. Foul number 11. Number 11, first personal foul. Sabreta. First throw, pasok na yan. Second throw, pasok pa rin. Dari number 1. That's the number 3 to number 20. Good for 2. At ibigay number 9. At babalik ang bola para sa Team Chera. Number 24 pass to number 3. Still Sabrep.
Sino ba? Si Ras? Yan.
Pass to number 3. Number 3, Vino, 33 short. At nakuha ni number 20. Napunta kay number 11. Good for 2. All 26. At number 4. At babalik ang bola para sa Team Chera. Nabigay na po wait lang po. Number 24. Taken 3. No good. At nakuha ni number 0. Ibinigay ni number 4. Number 4. Ibinigay sa gilid. Good for 2 para kay number 26. Number 24, 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Number 24, good for 2. Time out. Youth United.
hindi na ako pumunta eh. Right na ba?
12 to shoot. Pass to number 4.
Counted.
Traveling violation. Same point. Number 24, no good. Pass play to number 1. And foul. That'll be number 20. Number 20, second personal foul. Pass to number 24, pass to number 3, and pass to number 4. Number 4, Derecho, layup, good for 2. Pass number 24, 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Number 24, good for 2. Pass to number 24. At ang one number 15. No good. Rebound back to number 4. Pass to number 20. Last 15 seconds. Good for 2 by number 20. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Pasar na lang. Bola tayo ng Youth United. Next ball possession para sa Team Chera. Number 4. Binigay sa gilid, team number 99. Nakita si Bunda. At babalikan po na para sa Team Chera. Number 13. 14 to shoot that. Number 13. No good. Nakapilan ka na ba ng rebound? 10-second shot clock. At babalikan po na para sa Youth United. Pass to Buddha, number 0, layup. Good for 2. To shoot. Good for two, Valerie, number 20. Foul number 3. Number 3, first personal foul. Second shot clock. 3 points, Valerie, number 9. And the number 5 to 14. Foul number 13. Number 13, first personal foul. Second team foul. 10-second shot clock. Number 99. 3 points. Dito, papawi ng pass. No good. At aplikado. At nawari sa kanan. That's the Dito, 10 to shoot. 5-second shot clock. Number 13. Pass to Rashawn, layup, no good. At nawari number 5, pass to Alonso. To number 20, Ramos, no good. Wala pa rin. Rashawn. At pass to Alonso. To Ramos, pick, good for 2. Number 99, Rashawn out. A foul, who's ball up. Foul number 13. Second personal foul, number 13. Third team foul. 10-second shot clock. Number 4, 3 points. Number 3, Pito, second play, pass to number 12. Good for 2. Pass to Montesa, BJJ, number 5. Oh good, put back, Barry, Rashawn, good for 2. Advantage timeout para sa Team Chera. 14 to shoot. 3 points. And number 4, Montesa, pass to Policarpio, 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. At nakuha number 5. Nakatinga, nakuha number 12. Pass to number 5. Layup, good for 2. Good for 2. Second shot clock, taking 3. No good, at nakuha ni number 5. Pass to number 9. Rashawn, no good. Kanya pa rin. At ibigay ni Buda, floater, good for 2. Valerie, number 0. Timeout, Chera. number 5. Number 3 pass number 1 to number 20, 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Pass to number 12. No good. Number 20. Number 20, Daracho. No good. At ang kunin number 12. At ang isilamig number 1. Number 1. No good. At put back. Good for Subami. Number 12. Ibigay number 24, 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Good for Subami, number 12. Number 3, Zapata. 14-second shot clock. 10 to shoot. Good for Subami, number 3. Number 12, good for 2. Number 24, Odin, and that one in number 15. Foul number 24. Number 24, second personal foul. For to shoot. At makakuha ng foul. Who's for foul number 12? Number 12, first personal foul. Penalty. Second throw, Sablay. Number 3, pass to number 5. Pass to Santa Ana, 14 to shoot. At babalik ang bola para sa Youth United. To shoot. Second ball, 14-second shot clock. Pass to number 12. Nakakuha ng natin. Pagkabo ng violation. Pass to Romero, David Green, no good. And number 26, unraveling violation. Last 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Good for 2. 5 seconds. Passer na lang. Number 24, 3 points. Change favor. Lawan na ng isa ang Team Jera. Pass to number 1. Number 1, no good. Put back, good for 2 by number 0. At babalik ang kalamangan para sa Youth United. At pupukuluin ng 3, wala na. Nakakuha ni number 11, pass to number 24, fake, 10 to shoot. Good for 2 by number 24. Number 24. At di foul galing number. Foul number 1. Number 1, second personal foul. First throw, pasok yan. Second throw, pasok na rin. Pass to number 20. 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Number 4 to number 1. Taken 3. At number 11. Pass to number 5. And now in number 4. Foul number 3. Number 3. Second personal foul. Pass to number 4. At ibigay ni number 0, Punta. To Montesa, 14 to shoot. Pass to Ras. To Rasyon. No good. At tapigan para sa rebound. At babalik ang bola para sa Team Jera. At andyan na si Tito. Second shot clock. Block. 10 to shoot. Pass break to number 1. Easy 2 points para kay number 1.
Sige na.
14 to shoot. 10-second shot ang natangis nila. At tinigay ni Punta. Punta ang layup. Good for 2. Change favor at babalik ang kalamangan para sa Youth United. Number 3 Tito setting a play, 14 to shoot. 10-second shot at tangis nila. Pass to number 4. Ibigay ni number 6 to number 4. Good for 2, number 6. Tito diretso, 5-second shot lang ang tangis nila. Pass right to number 4. Good for 2. Time out, Jera. Team Jera, isa na lang ang time out para sa Youth United. Buddha pass to number 4. Buddha, good for Subari, number 0. Second shot clock, number 15, 10 to shoot. 5-second shot clock, number 24, good for 2. Fourteen to shoot. Pass to number 4. Ibinigay kay Zapata, taking 3, no good. At ako ni Romero, number 4. Pass to number 24. 14-second shot clock. Good for 2, Barry, number 15. Second shot clock. At bola tayo ng teacher.
Paulan ka na 3 points. Paulan ka na ng 3 points.
14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. 5 to shoot. Good for 2 by number 5. Anti-foul, who's smaller up? Now number 12. Sub-rep. Number 12. Second personal foul, number 12. Second team foul. Number 3, ibigay kay number 15. Foul number 3. Number 3, third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 4. At ibigay kay Oracion. 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock, pass to Buddha. At nakuha kapingan, nakuha pa rin yung Oracion. To number 1, no good. At babalikan po na para sa Team Sierra. Nakuha na yung control, pero good for 2. All 66. Number 4, pass to Ras, taking 3 points. Number 21, setting a play. 14-second shot clock. 10 to shoot, 10 to 3. No good, at ako na yung Tansino. Shot number 99. To Oracion, no good, at nakakariban ng number 4. 14 to shoot. Number 3, Pass to Romero. No good. At nakuha ni Buda. Pass to number 4. Tupo ni Cambio. Foul number 15. Number 58, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. First throw sa fly. Last throw, pasok yan. Last 2 minutes. Pass number 24, Big Black. Kanya bahan to Santa Ana. Good for 2 by number 5. Number 4, 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Number 1, Black. At nakuha. At babalik ang bola para sa Team Terra. Dalawa ang timeout ng United. Isa para sa Terra. 14 to shoot. Take it 3 points. Timeout United. Back to the ball game. Both teams meron na lang yung isang timeout. Number 4 pass to Buda. Good for 2 by number 0. Pointing to shoot. 14-second shot clock, number 3. Pass to Santa Ana Pink. Oh good, naiba na yung shot. Napitawan. Last 40 seconds. Number 24, no good. Pass break to number 4, layup. Good for 2. Timeout Terra. Wala na pong timeout para sa Team Terra at basket timeout para sa United. Second shot clock para sa Team Terra. Oras natin 32 seconds. Nakakuha na ng Samuel. 8 to shoot. No good. Tapping na. Nakakuha na ng Samuel. Foul was for left. Foul number 12. Number 12, third personal foul, penalty. First throw, pasok yan. Second throw supply, last 20 seconds. Foul number 9. Number 9 first personal foul, second team foul. Seconds. Take it through. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang. Final score 75.